jurisdiction ng ICC. Ang magbibista niyan ay ang korte doon sa bayan na yon, hindi ang International Criminal Court in The Hague. International Criminal Court, as I said, is a court of last resort. Pag hindi mo mabigyan ng katarungan ang akusado, ayaw mo o kaya hindi mo kaya, ay saka pa lang yan pupunta sa ICC. Kaya maling-mali yung mga pinagtatanong sa akin sa Senado. Kasi hindi sila marunong magbasa. Akala ko that literacy is not even a requirement of the Philippine Constitution because we all presume with free elementary and high school education in our Constitution that everybody is literate. That's why we don't even demand that a voter must be literate. Eh, basahin mo lang, nakalagay naman maliwanag doon na magbibista ang bansa kung saan nangyari yung mga krimen na sinasabi. Hindi naman iyan dadalhin kaagad sa The Hague. Kaya bakit tatanungin ako? Aren't you concerned that ordinary Filipino soldiers and policemen will be brought to trial in The Hague, in the International Criminal Court? And I have to answer that question seriously. Ang gusto ko talagang sagutin ay, how about I just mash your teeth